Building blocks are essential part of architectures. Now I am going to show my YouTuber friends how to use building blocks to express your own concern and ideas and shape them into the face of architecture. And let's start. Now I am going to cut the packet which has come from the online company, and I as introduced you before, it is the construction block. Yes, I am going to unpacking the packet now. It is going to be unpacked, and in the packet you can see the contents. And as it is the lockdown time, I am going to disinfecting it fast using spray it, and this is the packet, and I will do so with it again. Yes, just spray it with disinfectant spray. Yes, disinfecting spray. I am going to spray it on all the sides. I am going to do this like this, and here it is quite well. And now I have to unpack the packet, and I am going to unpack the packet. No, I have to cut it, and I am doing so. See, the tape is here, and I am going to cut it like this, and here I have cut the side and unboxed it. Over it's the manual. It may be for the child, but an adult, an architect can use it also to shape their own ideas. And here are some options, and I am going to structure it, and I am going to give some shape of my ideas, and I am doing so. See, I am doing this. I am taking the blocks. Here are many more blocks, and I'm taking one by one blocks. I am giving my shape, and actually I am giving shape of my ideas. I am doing so, and see the structure in the way. I am going to do this with shape, and like here. No, I am not going to restrict to give this gap here. The two bodies here, and here I am keeping this. Here I am structured it like this, and like this I am going to build the total building. And here, this you can see. Here I am putting the base only, and this is here. Let's bye bye.